Good luck.
Top 4 answers on the board.
Kapag nagbabakasyon, saan napupunta ang malaking portion ng budget? Go!
Pagkain.
Sa pagkain. Nandiyan ba ang pagkain? Meron. Russell, meron pa mas mataas kapag nagbabakasyon. Saan napupunta malaking portion ng budget?
Sa airfare.
Airfare o pamasahe? Airfare, nandiyan ba yan? Pass or play for the final round?
Play.
Let's go play this final round. Come on. Arwin, pag nagbabakasyon, yung malaking portion ng budget ay napupunta sa
Hotel.
hotel or accommodation. Nandiyan ba yan? Yes. Saan kaya, aside from these, usually saan pumupunta yung bulk ng budget kapag nagbabakasyon?
OOTD, outfit.
Outfit. Nandiyan ba si outfit? Survey says... Whoa!
Magastos, di ba?
At may pang-shopping na ulit. Ang ating final score, Team Tamaraos, 477. Team Semarab, that was very, very close. But you guys played well. Thank you very much, Nicole. Tanya, thank you. David, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Gwen,
Thank you so much for
thank you.
having me.
Palakpakan po natin sila. 50,000 pesos. At Team Tamaraos, congrats, guys.